Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Open the Settings app on your iPhone to begin now. Tap Personal Hotspot to access hotspot options and controls now. Toggle Allow others to join on so the hotspot broadcasts. Verify Wi-Fi password shown or tap to change it to your password. Use a password at least 8 characters long with numbers and symbols. If desired, switch to USB or Bluetooth for a different connection method. Leave settings open briefly while your laptop completes the connection handshake. Hotspot uses cellular data, so check your plan before heavy use. On your laptop, open Wi-Fi settings and look for your iPhone name. Select the iPhone network and enter the Wi-Fi password shown on the phone. For USB tethering, connect your iPhone to the laptop with a lightning cable. On Mac, choose iPhone from Network Preferences or click the Wi-Fi menu. Bluetooth pairing offers lower speed but saves power compared to Wi-Fi. Confirm internet access by opening a browser and loading any web page. If connection fails, toggle iPhone hotspot off then on and retry connecting. Open Control Center to quickly see if Personal Hotspot is active on iPhone. Monitor cellular data usage in Settings Cellular to avoid exceeding plan limits. Set Auto Lock to prevent others from connecting if you leave the phone unlocked. Change the Wi-Fi password regularly and use at least an 8-character password. Turn off Personal Hotspot when not in use to save battery and data. Check connected devices in Personal Hotspot to identify and remove unknown connections. Use carrier settings updates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.